In last lecture, what we have completed was about internal structure. That is lecture number 9, internal structure of human heart, and we have seen a video how the hearts work. From lecture number 10, we will start with a new topic which is known as cardiac cycle. As you know, heart beats 72 times per minute. So the blood is kept in a constant circulation through blood vessels by a pumping action, or you can say beating action of the heart. Okay, so these contraction of the heart. Rhythmic contraction matlab there is a rhythm. Okay, there is a rhythm. So the rhythmic contraction of the heart is known as systole or systole, followed by its dilation, or you can say relaxation, which is called as diastole. Okay, so contraction means systole and relaxation or dilation means diastoles. One complete systole, that is contraction, and one complete diastole, that is relaxation, makes our one heartbeat, or you can say one cardiac cycle. So this is nothing but one complete systole and one complete diastole, which makes heartbeat or one cardiac cycle. And you know, during each heartbeat, the chamber of the heart contract and relax in specific sequence and are repeated in cyclic manner. That's why these are known as cardiac cycle. They have a specific sequence and they are repeated in cyclic manner. So these are there are some phases in which this cycle gets completed: the first phase, second phase, and the third phase. Okay, so we have four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. These are the four chambers which are present in our heart. So there are different phases which works in a sequence or cyclic manner to complete this cycle. So let's start with phase 1, arterial systole. Up atria, you can you know that what arteria means. This is atrium or arteria. Okay, so systole मतलब contraction, arterial contraction, साइमल्टेनियसली कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ बोथ एट्रिया, यानी एक नहीं हो रहा है, लेफ्ट और राइट दोनों कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. और कब तक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है उसका टाइमिंग होता है 0.1 सेकेंड का. कितनी देर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रहेगा वो? 0.1 सेकेंड का. ओके, फेज टू मीन्स वेंट्रिकल सिस्टोल, वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल. यहाँ पे क्या था? आर्टेरियल सिस्टोल. किसका कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हुआ? आर्ट्रियम का. ओके, यहाँ पर किसका सिस्टोल हो रहा है? किसका कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है? वेंट्रिकल्स का. साइमल्टेनियसली कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ बोथ वेंट्रिकल ऑकर्स. साइमल्टेनियसली ventricle contraction occurs which lasts for 0.3 seconds. Okay, so arterial systole for 0.1 second, ventricular systole is for 0.3 seconds. In last phase, that is joint diastole. joint diastole का मतलब होता है, joint का मतलब together. यहाँ पे arteria और ventricle दोनों साथ में रिलैक्स होगा. यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अलग अलग हो रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन रिलैक्स साथ में होगा. जैसे simultaneously relaxation of both the two atria and the two ventricle lasting about 0.4 seconds. So now we'll add up this timing. Okay, 0.3 plus 0.1 plus 0.4, that is exactly comes around 0.8 seconds. So the cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. So cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. Okay, so in one cycle there is a systole and there is a diastole. For better understanding of this cardiac cycle, I am showing you a video. Please see carefully.
Our heart is an important component of cardiovascular system. It creates pressure every time it beats. This pressure moves the blood to every cell in our body. Now let us see what is cardiac cycle. The sequence of events in a single heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. This cycle involves the systole or contraction and diastole or relaxation of atria and ventricles. Look at this figure. In this, you can make out that all the four chambers of heart are in relaxed stage, that is, joint diastole stage. Now you will observe here that bicuspid and the tricuspid walls are open. So what will happen? The blood will flow from the pulmonary vein and vena cava to left and right atrium respectively. Right? Now, the arterial systole is initiated when SA node sends out an electric signal. During arterial systole, the atria undergoes a continuous contraction which forcefully passes the blood into the ventricles through tricuspid and the bicuspid walls. Ventricular systole begins when ventricles are filled with blood. The AV node, as shown here, picks up the signal and then conducts it throughout the ventricles. This stimulates the ventricular contraction, and as the ventricular contraction increases, the ventricular pressure causes the closure of AV valves. Now this continuous contraction causes the further increase in ventricular pressure. What will happen because of this? It will open the semilunar valves and the blood flows into the pulmonary artery and the aorta. Now this closing of AV valves here results in producing the first heart sound, lub. Now observe here that ventricles are in relaxed state now. During ventricular diastole, the ventricles relax, arterial pressure falls and blood begins to flow back into the ventricles. This reversal of pressure causes the semilunar valves to shut, producing the second heart sound, dub. So now you know what produces the sound lub dub. Meanwhile, the atria have been filling with the blood, and as the ventricles relax, blood flows from the atria into the ventricles, forcing the AV valves to open again.
Okay, so these are the phases which we have shown in the video: arterial systole, ventricular systole, and joint diastole. From next lecture, what we have to see is how the conduction system of heart works.